In this short video I'm going to show you a very simple Linux menu command. You can download the Linux menu command from GitHub at this URL. There are instructions on how to install it, configure it and run it. Running the Linux menu is as simple as typing the command menu. We get a simple menu displayed, and in order to select an option, for example to see the uptime, we just enter the option number. We also have the ability to run a sub-menu. So for example, if we take option 4, this displays another menu with options to control the Kia DHCP4 server that I have on this system. For example, let's see the status. Then if I enter Q at this sub-menu, it takes me back to the main menu, and if I enter Q at this main menu, I get back to the command prompt. It's that simple. Configuring the menu is as simple as editing a file called .00menu.conf. We simply have the menu option numbers followed by a colon, a space, and then the command which we want to run when that option is selected. If we want a blank line in the menu display, simply have a line with a few spaces in it. That's it. So let's add a new option. Option 6 to go echo hello Andy, save the file, run the menu command, take option 6, and it tells me hello Andy. That's all folks. On the screen is the GitHub URL where you can download the Linux menu command.